Okay. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aline. So today I'll be showing you something super simple but honestly super useful then. That'll be the browser keyboard shortcuts. So if you're someone like me who uses the Google Chrome a lot, whether for school, work, or kahit chill lang sa YouTube or Reddit, then trust me, these shortcuts can really save you time. And you don't need to have to be a tech wizard or tech savvy to use them. These are shortcuts that anyone can learn and start using right away. So let's jump into it. Alright, so first shortcut is what we call the open a new tab. So this is the control plus, T. There we go. Sounds basic, right? Pero sobrang helpful nito. Instead of moving your mouse all the way to the top and clicking the plus sign, you just hit this combo and it'll show you a new tab right away. So let's try it out. Let's click Control T. There we go. So as you can see, it opened a new tab, right? I use this whenever may naiisip akong search bigla like random stuff, class deadlines, the memes, or any kind of the information that you wanted to know or search in Google. It's faster and feels kind of pro when you do it. Okay, next one is one of my favorite, the Control plus the Shift plus the T. This is what we call the reopening a closed tab. So if you ever close a tab by accident, tapos nagsisisi ka right away, like, wait, I still needed that tab. This shortcut brings it back. And you can even press it again and again to recover multiple tabs you just recently closed. So let me show you. Control Shift the letter T. There we go. So you can see it on my screen. Super helpful nito lalo na if you're working on multiple research tabs or just wanted to binge reading something. Okay, so for our number three, this one's for those na laging maraming tabs open. Let's say for example, I have four tabs here on my screen. So if you click Control plus the tab or Control plus Shift plus tab. Alright, so this are the two shortcuts that I wanted you to remember as well. So the Control tab, if you click that, it lets you move to the next tab to the right. So from Google Keep, it went to this tab that I have here, right? Now if you're going to click the Control Shift and then tab, it will go back to the previous tab that you have on your screen. Imagine instead of clicking each one, you just need to tap a few keys and then jump between them smoothly. You look like a keyboard ninja for that. And honestly, it makes the multitasking less confusing. Okay, for our number four, this is the Control plus the L, or what we call the go to the address bar. This one is kind of underrated. So the purpose of this, it jumps straight to the address bar, so you can type a URL or search something without even touching your mouse. I'll show you how it works. So let's click Control L. There we go. You can try it out, and it feels like a shortcut for speedrun browsing. I usually use this when switching between websites quickly, especially if I'm researching multiple topics. Okay, for our number 5, this is the control plus D, or the bookmark the page. If you ever land on a page that you find helpful, let's say it's for your project or assignment, you can just hit Control D, and then that will instantly bookmark the page. And you can save it to your bookmarks bar or organize it into a folder. I use this a lot for tutorials, the references, or kahit random articles I want to read later. Okay, number 6 na tayo. Number 6 is the control plus J, or the open downloads. So for example, you need to check on something you downloaded, like a file or PDF. Instead of finding the downloads folder, just press the control J. And then, there we go, the Chrome will open a tab showing all your recent downloads. It is very convenient, lalo na if you're like me who forgets where I save something. Okay, next. Number 7. It is the control H, or the open history. Let's say you visited a really helpful site, but you forgot to bookmark that site. Don't need to panic. You can just hit the control H, and then boom, you get your browsing history. So from there, pwede mong hanapin yung site na na-open mo hours or even days ago. Okay, let's move on to the next shortcut. Our number 8 is the control plus F, or what we call find on page. This one's a must, because if you're reading a long article or a document and you are trying to find a specific word or phrase, you can definitely use this. It opens a little search bar. Let me show you. Control F. There we go. And then you just need to type the word, the keyword that you wanted to find. Then Chrome will highlight all matches for you. So let's say, for example, archive, the word archive. Okay, see? So Chrome highlighted the word archived here on the screen. So sobrang useful nito lalo na sa research or when reviewing some notes. Okay, so malapit na tayo matapos. Number 9 would be, or number 9 shortcut would be the control and then the plus sign, or control and the minus sign. Okay, let's add one more shortcut here, the control 0. There we go. Now this one helps with visuals. So let's say control then the plus sign. What will happen is that it will zoom in, and then if you click the control then the minus sign, it will zoom out. But let's say, for example, you zoomed in the page too much, then you just wanted to go back to normal. You can just click Control 0. So it will reset everything back to normal. Okay, so lastly, number 10. For our number 10 shortcuts, this would be the Alt plus left arrow button on your keyboard, or the Alt plus right arrow. Okay, So this shortcuts, or the first one that I just mentioned, the Alt plus left arrow, it will lets you go back to the previous page. Say for example this, I'll click Alt and then the left arrow. There we go. And if you want to go forward again, you can just click the Alt and then the right arrow. Then it will go back to the same page that you had earlier. Para siyang browser back and forward button, but faster. Perfect for reviewing content or jumping through pages while reading. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Those are just some of the browser shortcuts na lagi kong ginagamit. You can just take a screenshot or take note of that. They might seem small, pero if you start using them every day, ang laki ng impact sa time and convenience. You'll be working faster, navigating easier, and maybe even impressing people around you with how efficient you are. Try them out and let me know which ones that you found useful. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.